Be sure. Follow up yung kaso niya. Nagkakahiya talaga. Ako, yang hiya ako sa ginawa niya.
Yes, sir.
I'm sure, ikaw rin, nahiya ka rin. Di ba?
Yes.
Ha? Very treacherous. Sa likod pa, babae pa. Tapos, parang walang nangyari. Huwag ka sabihin nila, baka isipin ng mga tao, ganun na pala mga special action force ngayon. Ha? Taga-pepper spray ng babae. You are trained to fight hardcore terrorist. Not itong babae na nandoon lang nagsasalita, titirahin ng pepper spray. Please, do your share. Nakakahiya talaga yon.
On day 2, Your Honor, this is day 2, at 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock in the morning, an identified PNP staff member, Your Honor, pepper sprayed the member of the Board of Administrators of KOJC, Your Honor. We are still determining the name of this person, Your Honor, because we already have an affidavit complaint. But
Pakibalik mo nga yung,
Yes, Your Honor.
yung slide na yan. Balik mo.
we
Yung may
would like
police-
to know the identity of that person, Your Honor.
Pakibalik. Yung may buka ng pulis na nag-pepper spray. Yan.
Yan po ang nag-pepper spray po sa kay
General Torre, sandali. Nakita mo ba yung video nito? Ako nakita ko eh.
Yes, sir.
Ikaw yun?
Ma'am Nori.
Miss
Ma'am Nori.
Eleanor Nori Cardona. From the backside, ginano niya si Cardona. Tinira niya ng pepper spray. Nakita mo yung video na yun?
Yes, sir.
So, ano masasabi mo doon?
We immediately relieved the person, sir, and we have already started the pre-search investigation. And according to him, it's not pepper spray but an alcohol spray. At well, hindi ko na, sir, i-justify ang kanyang ginawa,
Please do not,
but that's wrong, sir.
please do not
We will not
justify.
tolerate.
Alcohol
that
ba
kind of
naramdaman mo, Ma'am Cardona? Alcohol? Alcohol yung tinira sa'yo?
Mahapdi ba yung alcohol, sir? Mamumula ba pag masprayhan ka? Di ba malinis yon? Tingnan nyo na lang. Kasi, para, ayoko na kasi, sir, palagi nagsisinungaling,
So,
Torre.
We have-
sana yung tao na yun. Sana yung
That's
pulis na yun.
that's a member of the Special Action Force, sir. And Rex Malimban had already initiated the pre-search investigation.
May we know the name, Your Honor, and the assignment of this person from the good general, Your Honor?
Okay, for the consumption of this committee, please give us the name. Colonel Malimban.
Yes, sir, Your Honor, sir. Sir, the personnel is assigned with the Portiver SAC. He is now under restricted custody. His name is Corporal Lacanaria, sir.
Ano?
Yes, sir.
From
From, yes, sir, PNP SAP, sir, Portiver SAC.
Corporal
Ray Lacanaria, sir.
Ray.
So right now,
He
he
is
is
in,
facing administrative charges,
yes, sir. We already started summary hearing procedure, sir.
summary hearing procedure.
Yes, sir.
Please update this committee. Update this committee as to the progress of the case you have charged against that personnel.
Yes.
Kumsek, take note mo hingin mo yung and that does not prevent the complainant to file criminal charges if she wants to.
Yes.
Ah?
Yes, sir.
So you do the administrative charge. Dahil ako nakakahiya talaga. Para bang napaka-traidor na pulis ka. Tinraidor mo yung babae. Babae pa. From galing sa likod, gaganunin mo ng pepper spray na wala. Nagsasalita lang naman yun sa harap ng mga tao doon. Tapos, galing sa likod pa. With the element of treachery. I tell you, nakakahiya. Pulis yun. Tapos babae pa yung may edad pa na babae. Mas matanda sa kanya. Gaganunin niya pag galing sa likod. Tirahin ng pepper spray. Tapos sibat siya kagad. Oh, we don't want to have people like that in the Philippine National Police. Bakit kung harapin niya? Ma'am, ano bang problema mo? Mag-usap tayo. Di ba? Magpakalalaki siya. Ang pangit talaga. Nakita ko yung video. Anak. Galing sa likod. Gaganunin yung babae. Tapos yung babae nagganon-ganon na dahil tinira ng pepper spray. Oh, pulis tayo. Bakit ganun na yung style ng ating pulis? Kahit na nabuburyong na kayo doon, kahit na agrabyado na kayo ng husto sa sitwasyon nyo doon, bakit? We are trained. Di ba? Be sure to update this committee sa kaso ng pulis na yon. Ako, I myself, I felt offended by that action. Napakapangit tingnan. Tapos nagkalat pa sa social media. Nasisira ang PNP dyan sa ganung klase mga pulis.
Mr. Chair,
Thank you. Go ahead.
Chair, may I please say something? I was there nung lumusob nung August 24. So I would like to surmise that I think the tyrannical behavior of General Torres emboldens his men. The treacherous at saka yung oppressive na kinakaya ang mga taong bayan ng ganyan. I think that kind of leadership emboldens his men to do the very same thing.
Noted.
Your Honor, if I may,
Yes.
may we request the good colonel to provide us the address of Ray Lacanaria so we can move on. May we know his address, sir?
Sandali. Tingnan mo. Paki-play ulit
Yan.
yung video na yan. Paki-play.
Yan, no?
From the sa likod ha.
Oh, yan. No?
Tinira. Tapos sibat kaagad siya.
Grabe naman. Tapos
Pangit
alcohol.
yan. Ang pangit tingnan. No? Para lang walang nangyari.
Your Honor,
Yes.
siguro hindi niya gagawin yan kung walang basbas po. Kasi tingnan mo, lahat ng pulis na kapaligid, nakatingin sa kanya, wala man lang ginawa yung mga pulis. Wala man lang nag-reprimand. Nakaupo, bumalik pa sa upuan, Your Honor, at inabot yung pepper spray sa katabi niya. Wala pong ginawa sila.
Well, that is our assumption.
Yes, that's my assumption po.
We can assume na may nag-utos sa kanya. Pero pwede rin na on his own, ginawa niya yan. We can make our own assumptions. Pero kaya nga, imbestigahan ninyo, Rex Malimban. Sinong team leader ng pulis na yan? Baka yun ang nag-utos. Sabihan mo. Laruin mo. Kung inutusan niya yan, mas lalo nakakahiya tayo.
Yes, sir. Anyway, sir, as what RD Pro 11 have stated, sir, we do not justify yung kanyang action ba, sir? But it is individually, sir. Bagong gising kasi ito, sir. Nung time na yun, sir. Medyo
Bagong?
gising siya nung time na yun, nung nasipa.
Bagong gising daw po.
Nasipa,
Senator.
sir.
Justify bagong gising for that kind of action. I-justify. Special action force tayo. SAP tayo.
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Your Honor,
Mag-justify na bagong gising. Porque bagong gising, gaganunin yung babae. Ay,
Your Honor.
nakakaya tayo. We are the elite. Di ba? Special Action Force. Pag sinabing kayong elite fighting unit ng Philippine National Police, you should be the elite also in terms of character. Kayo dapat ang pinaka-gentleman dyan. Kayo ang pinaka-disiplinado. And everybody is expecting you to act to be the elite people. Lalo-lalo na sa pag-uugali. Okay? Thank you.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Just two matters so we can move on. Can we request for the address, Your Honor? And can we ask both officers,
Okay,
point blank, Your Honor?
Give me the address. Give me the address. Anong address?
Sir, as of now, wala po akong hawak. I will just give him time, sir.
Basta address. Anyway,
Office niya sa
address
SAP.
niya is Special Action Force.
Okay.
Saan ba kayo ngayon? Sa Santa Rosa o sa
Santo Domingo, sir. Santa Rosa,
Santo Domingo,
Yes.
Santa Rosa,
Laguna.
Laguna?
Santo Domingo, Santa Rosa, Laguna. And just
Sub
one question,
headquarters.
Santa Rosa. Can we ask them point blank if Colonel Malimban ordered his man to pepper spray my client, or if not him, General Torre? Just point blank question, Your Honor.
I know Colonel Balimban.
Yeah, he's a good man. He seems to be a good man, Your Honor. But I would just like to ask-
Marawi hero ito. At hinahangaan ko itong opisyal na ito. I don't think utusan niya yung pusang alaws na, forgive me my word, yung corporal na yan na gagawin yon. Did you order that?
Definitely not, sir.
Definitely no, I'm sure. How about
Thank you.
your junior officers?
No, sir.
No. To continue with the investigation, ha?
Mr. Speaker,
Go ahead.
after the pepper spray incident, ano po ginawa ng ating commander po? Pinatawag niya ba? Lahat ba? Ni-remind niya na we have to protect the human rights. Bawal yan, blah, blah, blah. Ano pong ginawa po natin, sir?
Okay. Did it come to your attention?
Yes, sir. That's why, sir, actually before the operation, we reminded them to observe yung protocol natin, sir, yung use of force continuum. So it was relayed sir to them, and personally sir, ako sir nag-conduct ng briefing sir sa kanila. Then after that sir, he was placed in restrictive custody. That's why immediately pinabalik namin ito sir sa campus sir sa Tagum sir. So doon sir na yung sa ngayon sir, ongoing sir yung
So saan siya
case.
ngayon? Nasa Tagum?
Yes sir.
Be sure. Follow up yung kaso niya. Nakakahiya talaga. Ako, yung hiya ako sa ginawa niya.
Yes sir.
I'm sure, ikaw rin, nahiya ka rin.
Yes.
Very treacherous. Sa likod pa, babae pa. Tapos, parang walang nangyari. Huwag ka sabihin nila, baka isipin ng mga tao, ganun na pala mga special action force ngayon. Taga-pepper spray ng babae. You are trained to fight hardcore terrorist. Not itong babae na nandoon lang nagsasalita, titirahin ng pepper spray. Please, do your share. Nakakahiya talaga yon.